Hey, 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 Nikki Brown here. No matter where you are, what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having an amazing day. So, I'm doing a video on how to cut a pineapple. I cut the top part off already when I realized that I wanted to do this video. so, um, let me do it the proper way. Let's get our cutting board out. And as you can see, I did my first slice. I cut the top off. Now, this top part, you can actually put it in a jar with water and you can allow it to, I guess, sprout. And you can actually grow a little pineapple tree. It takes about, so at a certain point, you'll put it in dirt, but it takes about 2 years for it to turn, for you to see a pineapple, and it'll probably be like a little pineapple. But this is how you start out a pineapple tree. If you ever decide you want to grow your own, you cut the top off, stick it in some water, allow it to sprout, and then wait about 2 years and you'll have a pineapple tree with some little baby pineapple on it. But I'm not going to do that today. We could compost it, but I don't really have any place to put it, so um, it's just gonna go in the trash. Sorry for those who like to recycle. Love y'all. Okay, so then I normally cut my bottom off. Okay, so there's the bottom. And people do this differently. This is how I do it. So once I cut the top and the bottom off, and I just go around and slice the sides off, because I want to make sure that I get these little spiky parts off. Now there's still some good amount of pineapple in there, so I can cut that. See the little spiky pieces? And the other side and the top part, and I can just kind of cut around to get the good pieces. And there you go. There's still a little bit on there, so I want to taste the pineapple. Love pineapple. So I'm going to taste test this little piece. Mmm. These dishes are clean, by the way. I have my dish drain in the sink. So these are not dirty dishes. They're clean dishes inside the dish drain. Thank you very much. All right. Ooh, that's good. Mm. Sorry. I had to eat that. All right, let me clean up a little bit. I like to clean as I go. All right. So I'm just going to continue to cut around. And I'll save some for later, but I think I'm going to cut that. That's a lot. I'm trying to cut it a little closer so that I'm not cutting too much of the flesh of the meat of the pineapple off. And you just kind of keep going around until you cut it all off. So I'm just going to go a little faster. And stop playing around with it. And then from here, you can either make slices this way. Mine's a little lopsided because of how I had to cut it. Or you can do slices this way. Whichever. Oops. My sink is clean. So that's it. You can cut it like that. And then you cut. Oh, I have Butterfingers. And do like little spears. Put them in a bowl. And you can just eat it, or you can use it to cook with, or you can use it to make smoothies, or do whatever you'd like. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this up. And as always, I thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Mwah.